So we proceed exercise 7.2 of integration. In the previous video, the last question which we have completed was question number 14. Now we do question number 15. I equals to integration I equals to integration x dx upon 9 minus 4x square. So we put 9 minus 4x square equals to t. Put 9 minus 4x square equals to t. Then differentiation of 9 is 0 and differentiation of x square minus 4 is taken outside. Differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of t is dt by dx. Then minus 8x dx equals to dt. Multiply both sides by minus. So we get x dx equals to minus dt by 8. So we get the value of x dx minus 1 by 8 dt and we put the value of x dx in the given question. So for x dx we will write minus 1 by 8 integration dt upon 9 minus 4x square is written as t, and this is the form dt by t which is equals to log of t plus t. Put the value of t, so minus 1 by 8 log the value of t is 9 minus 4x square and plus t. This is the result. Now the next question, question number 16. I equals to integration e raised to the power 2x plus 3 dx. So we put 2x plus 3. Put 2x plus 3 equals to t. And differentiate with respect to x. So 2 differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 3 is 0, constant term, and differentiation of t is dt by dx. So we get dx equals to 1 by 2 dt. The value of dx, we get dx equals to half dt. Now we put the value of dx. So I equals to integration e raised to the power 2x plus 3 is written as t and dx is 1 by 2 and dt. So 1 by 2 integration of e raised to the power t is e raised to the power t and plus t. Put the value of t 1 by 2 e raised to the power, the value of t is 2x plus 3 and plus t. Next question number 17. I equals to integration h dx upon e raised to the power x square. H dx upon e raised to the power x square. So put x square equals to t. Now differentiate x square with respect to x. So differentiation of x square is 2x and differentiation of t is dt by dx. Then h dx equals to 1 by 2 dt. Now put the value. So I equals to half integration h dx is written as dt upon e raised to the power x square, so e raised to the power t. Then this becomes 1 by 2 integration e raised to the power minus dt. So So half integration of e raised to the power minus t is e raised to the power minus t, and remove e, then differentiate minus t, and differentiation of minus t is 1 minus 1, so we will write here minus 1 and plus t. Put the value of t, put the value of t, so minus half e raised to the power minus t, and the value of t is x square, so minus x square and plus t. Question number 18. I equals to integration e raised to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. We know that differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So we put tan inverse x equals to t and differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and differentiation of t is dt by dx. So we get dx upon 1 plus x square equals to dt, then I equals to integration e raised to the power tan inverse x. The value of tan inverse x is t, and dx upon 1 plus x square is written as dt, and integration of e raised to the power x is e raised to the power x. So the result will be e raised to the power t plus t, and put the value of t, so e raised to the power tan inverse x plus t. Question number 19. E raised to the power 2x minus 1 integration e raised to the power 2x minus 1 upon e raised to the power 2x plus 1 into dx. Now divide numerator and denominator by e raised to the power x. Divide each term of numerator and denominator by e raised to the power x. So I equals to integration e raised to the power 2x divided by e raised to the power 2x divided by e raised to the power x. We get e raised to the power x minus 1 divided by e raised to the power x. It comes e raised to the power minus x. Then e raised to the power 2x divided by e raised to the power x. Again we get e raised to the power x plus 1 divided by e raised to the power x. It gives e raised to the power minus x. Now put e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x equals to t. Put e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x equals to t. The term containing the denominator we put equals to t. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of e raised to the power x is e raised to the power x. Differentiation of e raised to the power minus x is e raised to the power minus x. Now remove e and differentiate minus x. So differentiation of minus x is minus 1. And differentiation of dt, t is dt by dx. Here differentiation of x is 1 and 1 multiplied by e raised to the power x. So it will be e raised to the power x, but here there is minus x, and differentiation of minus x is minus 1. So which affect the value of this value. So e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x equals to dt by dx, and by cross multiplication we get e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x dx equals to dt. So the value which are in numerator, e raised to the power x minus e raised to the power minus x dx. So at the place of numerator we put dt. So I equals to integration of dt upon, at the place of e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x we put t. So dt by t, this is log t plus t, and put the value of t. So log the value of t is e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x plus. So this is the result, log e raised to the power x plus e raised to the power minus x plus t. Now question number 20. I equals to integration e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x upon e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x dx. We put the denominator as t. So put e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x equals to t. And differentiation of e raised to the power x is e raised to the power x, so e raised to the power 2x. Now remove e, and differentiation of 2x is 2, so multiplied by 2, plus differentiation of e raised to the power minus 2x is e raised to the power minus 2x. Then remove e and differentiate minus 2x, differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2, and differentiation of t with respect to x is dt by dx. So we get 2 into e raised to the power 2x plus minus minus 2 into e raised to the power minus 2x equals to dt by dx. Taking 2 as common, we get e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x equals to dt by dx. So it becomes e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x, and dx equals to 2 will come at the place of denominator, 1 by 2 into dt. So this is the value of numerator, e raised to the power 2x minus e raised to the power minus 2x dx. So I equals to integration, at the place of this we can write 1 by 2 dt, and at the place of denominator we can write t. So it gives 1 by 2 log t plus t. Put the value of t, so 1 by 2 log the value of t is e raised to the power 2x plus e raised to the power minus 2x plus t. Question number 21, tan square 2x minus 3. I equals to integration tan square 2x minus 3 and dx. So tan square x is written as sec square x minus 1. So sec square 2x minus 3 minus 1 into dx. Tan square theta is written as sec square theta minus 1. sec square tan theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. So remove the bracket. Integration sec square 2x minus 3bx and minus integration dx. So integration of sec square theta is tan theta. This will be tan 2x minus 3. Now remove sec square and differentiate the term containing the bracket. So differentiation of 3 is 0 and differentiation of 2x is 2. So the whole term is divided by 2. Minus integration of dx is x and plus c. Question number 22. Sec square 7 minus 4x. Integration sec square 7 minus 4x dx. This is the direct form. Integration of sec square theta is equals to tan theta. Or we can also solve by substitution method. Put 7 minus 4x equals to t. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of 7 is 0. Differentiation of minus 4x is minus 4. And differentiation of t is dt by dx. So dx equals to minus 1 by 4 dt. We get the value of dx equals to minus 1 by 4 dt. So I equals to minus 1 by 4 integration sec square. This is t and dx is written as minus 1 by 4 dt. And integration of sec square theta is tan theta. So minus 1 by 4 and tan t plus t. Then put the value of t. So minus 1 by 4 tan. The value of t is 7 minus 4x. 7 minus 4x plus t. Minus 1 by 4 tan 7 minus 4x plus c. Question number 23. I equals to integration sin inverse x upon under root of 1 minus x square dx. Sin inverse x upon under root of 1 minus x square dx. So we know differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So put sin inverse x equals to t. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of sin inverse x 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square and differentiation of t is dt by dx. So dx upon root 1 minus x square equals to dt. Now put the value I equals to integration sin inverse x is written as t and dx upon root 1 minus x square is written as dt. So this is integration of t dt, which is written as t square by 2 plus t, which is 1 by 2 t square means sin inverse x the whole square plus t. So this is the result. Question number 24. Integration 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x upon 6 cos x plus 4 sin x. 6 cos x plus 4 sin x and dx. 6 cos x plus 4 sin x and dx. So from, we put the denominator, put 6 cos x plus 4 sin x equals to t. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So minus 6 sin x plus 4, as it is differentiation of sin x is cos x, and differentiation of t is dt by dx. We take 2h common. So 2 cos x minus 3 sin x equals to dt by dx, and 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx equals to 1 by 2 dt. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx equals to 2 comes at the place of denominator on the right side. So we get the value of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x. 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx equals to 1 by 2 dt. So I equals to 1 by 2 integration. At the place of 2 cos x minus 3 sin x dx, we will write 1 by 2 dt, and this is t we have supposed. So it gives 1 by 2 log t, and plus c put the value of t. So 1 by 2 log, the value of t is 6 cos x plus 4 sin x and plus c. Question number 25. 1 upon cos square x and 1 minus tan x the whole square. I equals to integration dx upon cos square x and 1 minus tan x the whole square. 1 minus tan x the whole square. So 1 upon cos square x, 1 upon cos square x is written as sec square x. So integration sec square x dx upon 1 minus tan x the whole square. We put 1 minus tan x equals to t. 1 minus tan x equals to t. Differentiation of 1 is 0, minus, as it is differentiation of tan x is sec square x, and differentiation of t is dt by dx. Then sec square x dx equals to, it gives minus of dt. Sec square x dx equals to minus dt. So I equals to minus integration sec square x dx is dt upon 1 minus tan x is t. So t square. So it gives minus 1 by t square is written as t raised to the power minus 2 dt, and then integrate. So t raised to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 plus c, which is minus t raised to the power minus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus c. So minus and minus gets cancelled, and we get t raised to the power minus 1 plus c, which is written as 1 by t plus c, and the value of t is 1 upon 1 minus tan x. So 1 by 1 minus tan x plus c. This is the final result. Question number 26. Cos root x upon root x. Integration cos root x upon root x dx. So we put root x equals to t. Root x equals to t. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x, and differentiation of t is dt by dx. Do cross multiply, so dx upon root of x equals to 2 dt. This 2 will goes at the place of numerator, so dx by root x is written as 2 dt. So I equals to integration cos and root x is written as t, and dx by root x is written as 2 dt. Now integration of cos t. Integration of cos t is sin t, and put the value of t. So 2 sin root x and plus t. This is the result. Now question number 27. This is root sin 2x into cos 2x. Under root of sin 2x into cos 2x and dx. So we put sin 2x equals to t square, because the term sin 2x is in a square root. So in a square root we put t square. So put sin 2x equals to t square, and differentiation of sin 2x is cos 2x, and differentiation of 2x is 2. Differentiation of t square is 2t, and then differentiation of t is dt by dx. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and cos 2x dx. Cos 2x dx equals to t dt. Cos 2x dt is equals to t dt. So put the value cos 2x dt will be written t dt. So I equals to integration root sin 2x. So root sin 2x will become t, and cos 2x is t dt. Cos 2x dx is t dt, and root sin 2x is t. So this becomes integration of t square dt, and its integration is t2 by 3 plus t, integrated on the form x raised to the power n. Put the value of t. So the value of t is sin 2x. So sin 2x the whole cube plus 28. I equals to integration cos x dx upon under root of 1 plus sin x. Cos x dx upon under root of 1 plus sin x. So we put the denominator as t square. Put 1 plus sin x equals to t square. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. And differentiation of sin x is cos x. Differentiation of t square is 2t, and differentiation of t is dt by dx. So we get cos x dx equals to 2t dt. Cos x dx equals to 2t dt. So I equals to integration cos x dx is written as 2t dt upon root 1 plus sin x. Root 1 plus sin x is written as t. So t and t cancelled, and we get 2 integration dt and integration of dt is t. So 2t plus c. Put the value of t. So 2, the value of t is under root of 1 plus sin x plus c. 2 under root of 1 plus sin x plus c.